So we're currently in Wellington and we're just walking around, we're about to go to the museum and we saw this massive ass queue behind us and it's because it's Hug a Pug Day. The Museum of New Zealand. This whole wall. One tiny little thing.
Oh, what?
Tiny ass piece of moon rock. So this is like a platform where you can just jump straight off into the river and I'll try to see if we can get someone doing it now. So literally just climb to the top and you can jump. So Amanda's just decided that she wants to jump in now as well. Let's do it! So as it's our last night, or last day in the North Island, we decided we'd go out for a meal.
One eternity later.
So we're now in the South Island. We've just had about a 3-4 hour boat journey from the north to the south and we're on our way to Nelson, I believe. We've just stopped off at a winery. We're going to do some wine tasting a little bit. I hate wine, so I'll keep you updated on what's going on. Ready for wine tasting, Maddie?
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell the strawberries now.
We like to drink.
Last one, 4th attempt. Oh.
It's really nice. What you want about?
No, I don't like wine. Didn't really like the wine, so resorted to some ice cream instead. Attempting skydiving again. Maddie's still nervous.
Very. I'm so scared.
Ready to go?
Yep, pretty much.
Awesome, and you're going 16,500 feet all out there in fact. Beautiful this guy.
I was about to say it looks really, really nice.
You a little bit nervous?
A little bit. So not too bad. So
That's not good.
should be good.
You're excited, eh?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Any words to fans, family and friends out there before we go?
I'll see you back on the ground.
Awesome, we'll see you out there, bro. Have fun.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away.
Drum off, yeah. Welcome back, Josh. What do you think?
Yeah, that was really sick.
So you do it again?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Take the hat and goggles off. Thank you, Dan. Yeah. Cheers, bro. I'll see ya.
So we all made it back. It was pretty good. I found it really, really good actually. but I think we've all gone on a bit of a crash now. We've all had that adrenaline rush and we're all a little bit tired, not gonna lie.